Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 9 Pi system special head unit for FIAT 500X 2014 to 2020 years. This 9-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, let me do unbox review. Okay, you can check head units with good condition. The harness and canvas. This head unit FIAT 500X. Okay, let me show the harness set first. Okay, you can check this special harness for FIAT 500X. This power, this is canvas decoder box. Okay. And this audio out left and right. This AUX input left and right. Okay. This camera input wire. This 12 voltage NT wire. This K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. The steering wheel control will decode by canvas box. Okay. It will come with speaker, small speaker. You can connect this connector. You can connect this connection by this connector and. GPS antenna, this radio antenna, and this also radio antenna. Okay, it's original USB. Okay, this camera input. Okay, this AUX input left and right. This video input. Okay, this audio connected to back of head unit, and this video out to video out 1 and video out 2 is subwoofer, and this audio out left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show the head unit. This special head unit for FIAT 9-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, you can check this front panel and this kit. Okay, let me check the side. You can check, and this side. There are long cable for USB to USB cable, and this external microphone. Okay, this is audio and other connection. This is radio antenna. This Wi-Fi antenna. This power, this fuse, this GPS. Okay, you can check this wiring diagram. Okay, this drum agent. Okay, then connect the speaker. Connect the power cable. Okay, button lights were on. Okay, the unit start. Okay, you can check. Okay, here the unit started. Okay, please take out this screw protector before using. This 9-inch IPS touchscreen, special for FIAT 500X. Okay, this built-in microphone, this reset hole, this power button and home back volume. Okay. This brightness, just lamp press, you can change the lip paper and the wallpaper. Okay, change the wallpaper. This volume you can also adjust, and this Wi-Fi, Bluetooth amplifier, DSP amplifier, and speed clear memory. You can check clear release memory. Okay, all apps are here. You can check it built in the AUX in. This APK installer and AC information. The AC information will be decoded by canvas box back button. Okay, it's Bluetooth and easy connection for Mulink. And it's built in Google Maps. DSP amplifier, sound field, settings, sound EQ. Okay, balance. Okay, this is this DSP. It's built in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. And this vehicle information, factory vehicle information, speed and other settings. Okay, date and time, you can change it. This radio. Click radio station to search the radio. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Connect Wi-Fi support, 4G mobile phone network, hotspot. Okay. Check the storage. You can check total 64 GB storage. And about machine, you can check MCU version, CPU optical, for RAM 4 GB, PX6 chip. and the Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back home. Check the settings, car setting, personal settings, autoplay music, and power and ACC delay time. You can set LED settings. You can choose the red and blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. And other information you can check: Bluetooth for night mode, auto illumination, navigation settings. You can set the map, GPS, and drum setting. This reversing volume. You can turn on watch video, real tracking display, X mirroring, and radar system. It's open door information, stereo controls decoded by a canvas box. It's drum setting. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.